Hi everyone, so welcome back. This is GBPJPY na niko hapa kufanya breakdown ya GBPJPY, pound JPY. So just want to remind you guys, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels and press the notification bar. Bonyeza alama ya kengele ili uweze kupata notification kila baada ya kurelease our new videos. So kama you have any comment on this video after viewing this, here you can leave your comment so as we can take care of your requests and what you propose to. So you guys, also want to remind you guys, msisahau kutumia Deriv as your favorite broker. Me provide link ya Deriv on my description below after this YouTube channel, so you can open your live account and demo account via Deriv by using the link below on the description. So without wasting your time, so I'm gonna go directly on GBPJPY and I'm gonna do some top down analysis. Sitaki kuwapotezea muda, nitafanya top down ya GBPJPY. Nitatumia price action na nitatumia sana sana ICT on the lower time frame. So hapa ni 1 month time frame na tutaspot on supports and resistance on this time frame. So this is GBPJPY, as you can see. Nime minimize ili iwe ndogo so as kila mtu anaweza kaiona. So I'll just put my resistance around this area here. As you can see, it was firstly support until the market break this support and changed it into a resistance. After the break of this support, now this is a retest, imeshakuwa confirmed as a resistance. So it's our great resistance ambayo ilikuwa obeyed muda wote. And I'll just come and put some nervous here, my horizontal around this area as a support. Hapa nitaweka support yangu. As you can see, after the retest around the resistance, market ikaja kutapped around the support areas. So wherever it tapped the support areas, the buyer took place over the market. Buyers wakachukua soko na kulicontrol, push up further up. So tunaweza kuona hapa market ili break structure around this area here, ili change character around this area here, kutoka downtrend onwards uptrend, kwa sababu the previous high was break to create new high. So nikishuka katika 1 week time frame, tatumia price action, and that is what drives the market. So on 1 week, I'll just deal with this, my favorite part here, and I'll just put my resistance around this area. So as you can see, it's a kind of double top as the market tried to tap twice the resistance, hence it's created a double top. So we will wait until this area here, tutasubiri mpaka ile eneo ambalo lilikuwa potential sana previously, lilikuwa kama resistance. As you can see hapa, wherever market ilipo touch, the sellers tried to push the market down until the buyers break this resistance, mpaka buyers walivovunja hii resistance na change it into support. So after the break, here comes the retest. So tulikuwa tunategemea market ije i break this high ku create new higher high, but fail ku create new higher high. So we have equal highs there, so it's a top. As you can see, I'll just put my arrows as a double top there. So I'll just clone this, it's a double top. And you know, in a double top where we actually act, tutachukua sell. So where are we going to take the entries? Hapa ndo nakuja kuwaelekeza. So we need to go in a lower time frame, inabidi tushuke chini ila kupata entries nzuri. So spotting my 1 day time frame hapa, as you can see, all of you kama mnavyoweza kuona, this is 1 day time frame. So I'll just spot my trend line around this area. As you can see, there's a good trend here. Sorry, as I can see, there's a good trend around this area here, na trend nzuri tu hapa. Kama unaweza kuona lows zilikuwa touched vizuri, as you can see lows zilikuwa touched vizuri. As you can see, this is a support trend. Wherever this trend was touched, the buyers took over the market, so that is a support trend. So we will go into more low time frame and to 4 hours time frame and see what the market has printed for us. Tutashuka mpaka 4 hours hapa, so tunaona this kind of double top hapa, this first tap and this second tap, and this was the low. Tunaona hapa market imechange character kutoka uptrend kuja kwenye downtrend hapa, change of character. Hii ndo choch. So nimeanza kutumia ICT strategy hapa, bmixing. Hii ndo what we call choch, change of character. Sorry, that's change of character, as you can see. So after the change of character, what we are looking after is the order block confirmation. Tunaenda ku spot order block yetu. So order block, as unto me, order block, I'll just spot this special candle here as a pin bar, bullish pin bar. That's my order block. So I expect this market, nategemea ili soko lije litap kwenye order block pale ndo lishuke, since the market and institutions and finances has spotted their orders around those areas. So we retail traders tunaingilia humo ambapo how financial markets wamekuwa wakiingia. So sisi tunaingia humo as we get a strong push. So nategemea hii market ikifika pale tupate kwenye order block, tupate strong push ya kupeleka hili soko chini. So just making sure nitaweka this kind of Fibonacci. I'll just take my Fibonacci and see if the order block is spotted around the 0.61%. As you can see, it's almost around these areas. Kama unaweza kuona order block iko around those areas, so actually we are perfect on spotting that order block. Kwa tunachosubiria hapa ni market ifike kwenye order block for us to take on selling opportunities. So we'll be taking these selling opportunities till the previous lower low, since the market has created new low na inarudi juu ku create new higher low ili kuja ku create new lower low. So we'll just spotting our TPs around that area and our stop losses at the end of the block. So hope you guys may enjoy hii video. So kama umeenjoy hii video, usisahau ku like to our video. So I kindly request you guys, msisahau ku like kwenye video yetu. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Pia usisahau kutumia Deriv as your favorite broker. Nimewekea link kwenye description ya hii video. So soon after you finish watching this video, I please beg you guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The more you subscribe, the more the vibe, guys. Tutaendelea kupost videos. So hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Keep sharing to your fellows, keep sharing to others. Love you all. Bye bye, guys.